Are you tired of seeing forklift disasters on the internet? Well, in this video, we're going to share with you 6 key practices that will help you avoid a forklift disaster. So stay tuned till the end of this video so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. Number 1. Never ride on the forks. It may seem like a shortcut to get some work done faster, but riding on the forks is extremely dangerous. If you need to get off the floor, use the designated seat. Not only is it safer, but it also gives you a better view of your surroundings. Number 2. No standing while operating a forklift. It's important to be seated and have both hands on the control wheel when operating a forklift. Standing up makes it much harder to keep your balance, especially when you are carrying a load. If you must stand for some reason, use the seat belt and make sure the load is secure. Number 3. Don't use a forklift as a crane. Lifting loads that are too high can cause the forklift to tip over. If you need to lift something very high, use a crane or a hoist instead. Don't try to use a forklift to lift a load that is too high for it. 4. Never exceed the load capacity. Each forklift has a maximum load capacity. You can usually find this information on a plate attached to the forklift. If you exceed the load capacity, the forklift could tip over or the forks could collapse. Number 5. Always inspect your forklift before use. Check the tires, brakes, lights, and other equipment to make sure they are in good working order. If you see anything that needs attention, report it to your supervisor right away. Number 6. Never drive faster than you can safely stop. For example, if you're carrying a load, you'll need to drive more slowly. You should always be able to stop quickly if necessary. We hope you found this video helpful. Do you have any tips of your own for staying safe around forklifts? Share them with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about workplace safety, check out our channel for more resources. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.